Hi, this is really interesting. I've been sent this. It's not a maker I'm aware of, but they sent it to me and asked me if I'd like to do a review of it on the YouTube channel. So I said, yes, please, thank you very much. I'm sure that there are viewers out there that would be interested in this. So it's tri-band. It's a little handy, and it does 5 watts. Made by the company called Radtel, and this is the RT-470X. So we'll just have a quick look at this. We'll do a little bit of an unboxing. What can I see on the box? Not a huge amount. 2 selectable power settings, repeater burst, tone burst, 1750 Hertz, emergency alert function, and it supports Vox. What else? It includes a charger, and it includes 2000 milliamp hour battery, and it says that the charging time is 8 hours. So yeah, let's have a look at it. First of all, the box feels good quality, to be honest. First thing to note, a really good quality, thorough in actual fact, instruction booklet. So it's in 5 different languages: English, German, French, Spanish and Italian. And each section seems to be about 15 pages long. And just looking at some of the things in here, the menu settings seem to cover off quite a substantial amount of settings. So yeah, I would say that the menu, the instructions look to be quite thorough. So what else have we got in here? A little aerial. Okay, not a lot to say about that. The actual radio itself, that feels quite nice actually. Yeah, quite substantial. The battery, this is quite a chunky battery, 2000 milliamp hours, so that should see it last for quite a while. Oh.
Channel mode.
Wow, okay, came on straight away. Yeah, power on off button. Let's put the...
Welcome, channel mode.
There you go, there's the aerial. And I've got the film on it, only because I'm planning on giving this away at the end of the video. So I just want to keep it, you know, nice and intact. So turn it off, turn it back on again. So
channel mode.
There's a close-up of the screen. It's nice being in colour. So yeah, tri-band from what I can understand. Ah, the screen's actually a screensaver.
1, 4, 5, 5. 1, 4.
I haven't read the instructions, to be totally honest with you.
0. Menu.
It's actually really nice. The quality of the screen is really good. What else have you got? What does that do? Don't know.
On.
So it receives FM radio.
Off.
PTT button, which I'm not going to use because I'm way off frequency. Standard dual connector microphone, earphone, headset connections. And I'm not sure, but I will have a look behind here, because I think that there, in fact, no, that isn't. That's nothing. Actually, there's the charging point. So this comes with a USB-C cable, and also in here we've got the belt clip.
On.
Ah, that's for picking up weather broadcasts. I don't know how. Ah, there we go. So that button there turns on the torch. On, off, and SOS. So yeah, sorry, belt clip goes on the back of there. And this is a USB-C charging cable. So yeah, it's nice the way that everything's standardising on USB-C nowadays. You can charge the battery on USB-C, and I guess you can also, if you really wanted to, you could actually charge the battery on its own. So there you go. What to say? This feels quite nice, to be honest. Feels rugged. The battery is quite chunky, but I suppose that's the trade-off that you have for having such a decent length of battery time, operating time. So yeah, there you go. So anyway, the plan is, this was given to me by Radtel, and I think it's only fair that I offer it to you. So if you would like this radio, then all I would ask you to do is make sure that you're subscribed to the channel, and like and share this to your friends. And then once I have 50 likes, then I will pick one of those at random, live, and donate this to them. And all they need to do is pay for the postage, which will probably be less than £5. So there you go. So if you're interested in having this radio, it's brand new. That's all you need to do. Right, thanks a lot for watching, and till next time, bye-bye.